dear folks, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today we use K518 PRO to program 2024 Volvo S60 Smart Key.
We need to prepare K518 PRO, OBD communication cable, KPROG adapter, LC202 cable, and a new smart key. First, disassemble the CEM box. Follow the instructions shown in the diagram to operate. Connect the LC202 adapter cable to the K518 PRO and KPROG adapter. Connect the 12-volt power cord to the K518 PRO. Select IMO and remote. Find Volvo. Select S60. After 2022, program Smart Key. Read CEM data. Connected, click OK. Enter the name of the file to be saved. Click OK. OK. Reading data. Read successfully and click OK. The data has been read successfully, and the CEM box has been fitted back. Now we start to program the smart key. Plug in OBD communication cable. Select IMO and remote. Find Volvo S60. Select after 2022. Program Smart Key. All Smart Key lost. Select the second menu. Click OK. Data has been read. We continue to the next step. Click OK. OK. Select the file you just backed up. OK. This feature will delete all keys. Please prepare all the keys to be programmed. Click OK. The number of programmed key is 1. All keys have been deleted. Number of keys 0. OK. Please put the key to be programmed in the induction area. After clicking OK, start programming the key. The number of programmed key 1. No need to program the next one. Click Cancel. Programming complete. OK, now let's try it. Can the key drive normally? Step on the brake and turn the start button. The key was successfully started the car. Let's try again now to see if the remote control is working. Lock the car. Unlock. Remote control is normal.
We have programmed Smart Key for 2024 Volvo S60. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more spread ahead.